Hi, here are 5 tips to know when spray painting. First, if you want to have 360 access to an object, you can hang it up and now you can spray paint it from all the sides. The second tip is really basic, but you cannot shake a spray can too much. However, if you do not shake it, it can dry out. If you do not have gloves, you can use some cream to prevent the paint from being able to stain your skin directly. So here for the demonstration, it is easier to remove than without the cream, but if you want to remove the last traces of paint, you can use some nail polish remover that we can put on a piece of cloth and use it to remove all the stains of paint. Also, do not forget to protect your working surface, and now when spray painting an object, it's better to start the painting when outside of the object and just go over it with a constant speed so that there is no build-up of paint in any parts. And when you're finished, you can put your spray can upside down and spray out some air without the paint to clean out the nozzle and make sure that the next time you want to use the can, the nozzle still works. I hope this video helped you, thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one, bye bye!